Like, look how beautiful this amberish stuff. This beautiful, luxurious velvet. So I got, because you see me shopping doesn't mean that I don't go through things in life. Hello everyone, it's Elle, and I truly hope you guys are doing great today. Hope you are feeling blessed and encouraged. So I have been going around to a lot of the stores lately. I love this time of the year because they are putting a whole bunch of things on sales in the furniture and decor stores. So you can find some really good deals, and they're bringing out things for the fall. Yes, I have a few things to share with you. I have a haul. I have a little bit of a DIY project, very minute. DIY projects for you guys. I don't know if I should start with the big stuff or the little stuff first. It's just a few pieces. It's not too extravagant, not yet. The bags that I have here are from HomeSense, and I really have been abandoning HomeGoods lately. I still go because they're more HomeGoods than HomeSense, but HomeSense, man oh man, they got the stuff, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is like a really pretty piece. So, fancy. So it is this pedestal bowl, and it's marble. It was $40, and I really like it. And it's a brownish beigey color, and this is the color regardless of how much I change. These are the colors that are naturally in my house. So I have some woodsies and some creams and some, you know, whites and grays and all of that. So all of that is just stuffed into this little bowl, the color. So I'm really enjoying this piece. It's creative. I have a lot of this amberish stuff going on in my home too. So yeah, I'm loving this. You know what? They had two of these, so I'm gonna run back and I'm gonna go get them and get another one, because I don't think I should pass up on having two of these pieces, because these are forever pieces, and these are things that you can put on your built-ins that will really stand out and look elegant and look pretty. So it's really pretty. Actually, it's not marble, excuse me, it's onyx. Stand corrected, I need to learn my materials, especially being in the home decor interior design sector. But yeah, so it's onyx, it's pretty, and it was $39.99 from HomeSense. So now I have the sister piece to it, which is the bowl. And I didn't want to get two of the pieces of the same because I wanted to have a little bit of variety on my built-ins. But you know what? I'm thinking I don't want to not get this other piece. But anyway, here is the bowl to it. It's onyx. It's beautiful inside. Woo-wee, I love this piece. It is just gorgeous. It's giving so much. It's giving the flute, the look of marble, but it's onyx. The colors, this is a forever piece. This brings quality and luxury into a home. And you know what? I'm doing the grown-up home thing now, you know, not just what I like, but long-term. Like I said, I'm really like tired of redecorating my own home. So I'm actually doing some other projects for other people, and I'm tired of decorating my living room down here. So upstairs I'm doing some stuff in there too, so you'll see that. But yeah, this piece is like really heavy, really pretty. This is $40 again at HomeSense. So, in my attempt for having this grown-up type of home, I decided to get these beautiful, luxurious, velvety, satiny looking chairs. They're beige. They're actually taupe. They're a taupe color, and they swivel, and they are really nice. They are from HomeGoods, and they're called Drexel, and they were only $2.50. So I was in the store and I couldn't find the price, and then the manager looked underneath, and it was only $2.50. So I grabbed them, and there's something really special about it. I did manage to get two. I think they had just put it down on the floor. So I'm always spinning around in these chairs, but these are it, guys. These are not going back to the store. They're not going back, I promise. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull that tag off because these are a keeper. I found them, I love them, and they are interchangeable pieces. So I can move this chair to my bedroom because they look like kind of like bedroomy, but they are for this living room area. They're not going to be in front of the fireplace. However, they are by Drexel, $2.50 from HomeGoods, and I really like them. I got the luxury feel, like with those green chairs that I took back, and then I still got, I don't know if you can see it here, but I'll move the camera a little closer for you guys, but I got the color, the gold that I was looking for. So the swivel part, it's gold underneath. The luxury that I was looking for my grown-up type of home, for my refresh, and I'm really happy with them. They're staying with me. The price was right. $2.50. I think they should have, I was thinking $3.99, I'm gonna be honest, but I'm glad that, you know, God worked it out for me and I was able to bring these bad boy home. So this piece here is from CB2. And I got it like about 3 years ago, and it is a very popular piece of pottery, CB2, you can see it down here, it says CB2, or whatever, and I paid about maybe $40 for it, if I'm not certain, I can't remember. I was in HomeSense last night, I bucked up on this big thing here. So yeah, you see how beautiful? So I have a mama and a papa, or a mama and a baby, you know? Like, look how beautiful. And it's not exactly the same, but it is very, very similar in texture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 tiers. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 8 tiers on each of them. And just this one is bigger. And guess how much this was? So for the discounted price of $24.99 from HomeSense, I don't know if it's a forever piece, because the last time I did a haul, I was like, you know, I have a lot of vases. So what I did was I got rid of some of my vases. The new trend now is like doing duplicates of all sizes and all arrangements. Florals right here. Hello. I have these florals, and they were $9.99 from $9.99 from HomeSense, and aren't they pretty? So it has this eucalyptus kind of vibe to it, but in beige. Not a big fan of the color, so this can be spray painted, but it has these really pretty little seeds like in between here. So let me get a little closer so you guys can see. It has like these seeds in each of them, right? And then you get two branches. See, they're wrapped together, but you actually get 2 branches. So actually one branch is $5, but they sell them 2 in a set. So I got 4 for $20. This is my most exquisite piece, and that is, voila! This vase, that is a creation, okay? It has feet, it has a neck, it has an earring or a handle. So I absolutely couldn't say no to this piece. It was $40. I'm so passionate about home decor. You know, I don't know. I just love pretty things. It helps me with my mental. I'm going to be honest with you. Just going to the stores and seeing all of these beautiful things. It's relaxing, and you know, in the world that's just so jaded, sometimes just looking at pretty things just really helps to calm my mind. And just as like we look, you know, like looking at babies and houses and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, like I love this neck. I love the body. I think this is just so cool. I grabbed it. It's by Tahari Home and $39.99. What do you guys think? Isn't this pretty? Ooh, wee. Yes, this is a piece. I didn't need two. This is a one and done piece. I mean, look at the little feet under here. You know, I gotta make sure that this doesn't go walking away, you know, like somebody comes in. Because, you know, when people go to your house and they like your home decor, they're like, ooh, give me that, girl. So anyway, it's an absolutely no for this. I've given away a lot of stuff, but this is something that I will cherish and keep. It's a concrete feel. It's like that old and new and modern and funky and eclectic all in one. It's a really cute vase. I like it. I like it like that. Yeah, baby. So I love IKEA. I'm getting into IKEA. It's just two quick pieces. Well, actually three really. The other piece, I'll tell you really quick. I needed a microwave cover for my food so the food doesn't spill. I got that from IKEA for $1. And then I got these light bulbs, and really quickly, I'm gonna show you my little DIY project that I did with it. Bam. So a light bulb literally went off in my head because I gave myself a budget for new lighting, and it was a very inexpensive one because I've changed my lighting in 3.5 years 4 times. I had to do something inexpensive, right? So I ordered these fixtures from Amazon. They were really inexpensive. And then I decided that I was just going to do some light bulbs. So for this really quick DIY project, I started off using some metallic gold paint to paint the top part of the fixture. I did one coat and let it dry. And then I wanted to go ahead and install the light bulb just to see how everything was going to look. So really easy, really quick. So I have to coat the top part of the fixture with gold paint 2 more times, but ultimately this is how it's gonna look. I never really liked like really big pieces there. For my space, my area, too much is just gonna get too confusing. So these light bulbs did the trick. I didn't have to take down my existing poles or fixtures. I just kind of stuck this right in there. E26 is the style number. When I was in my modern boho, you know, my home had a lot of the black and white curtains. I know you remember something similar to this maybe, if you follow me, but yeah, I got another pattern here, and these are the Ventura something from IKEA, and they were $20 or 20 something dollars a piece. And I picked up 3 of these. There's 2 in a pack, and this is the 32 by 90 something, I think it is, or yeah. So 32 wide and 96 inches long, or 98 inches long. Sorry, I'll put it up there for you guys. So I got this, so you'll see the picture on how it's gonna look. They're actually going upstairs in the loft space, and I got 2 packs of these. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to them. You've seen a different pattern that I had in my living room. I don't have it there any longer because I'm going to be replacing them with these very plain Tab top curtains. Yes, these are the plainest curtains I've ever had in my life. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put up these curtains. I guess instead of putting on music, I'll go ahead and talk to you guys. I always say, you know, I hope you guys are encouraged and feeling blessed, and I truly do mean that. You know, I hope you guys are truly doing okay, and a lot of people go through mental struggles. Like, we're all human, and we all go through things. So life is not just about home decor and fashion, and I wish it was. You know, just because you see me shopping doesn't mean that I don't go through things in life. You looking to be encouraged, or are you looking to find, you know, things to listen to, and you don't understand certain things? It's Charles Stanley. I listen to him In Touch on YouTube. I watch the YouTube channel. It's free. There's like no commercials ever. So you can just keep going, and make sure you get a book to write down some of the sermons and scriptures. There was a young lady, I'll put her information in the description box, and she was so encouraging this morning. So I just wanted to share that with you, you know, if anyone is going through stuff, because we all do. So I'm gonna go, and I have two curtains here. This side is going to take 4. This side in the dining room is going to take 2. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put that up. Now that I've gotten the curtains up by the windows, I'm not in love with them. They really are plain, and I think they need to be steamed, but I am going to let it marinate for a bit before I decide whether I'm going to keep them up or not. This is what the living room area, dining room area is looking like. And these mirrors I wanted to share with you as well. I got them from HomeGoods. I actually have to move them higher. And yeah, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm getting a new dining room table. So this is far from complete, guys. Absolutely end of my haul. Oh, I'm lying. Oh, I forgot. I got 2 big pieces. Well, it was actually 1, but I got 2 of them. So stay tuned. So I found these 2 humongous frames at Ross for $99 each, and I contemplated bringing them home with me just to test it out. I was thinking that I can paint right over that gold and do something really cool. So the gold is throwing me off a bit, even in my house. So before I took them back, I wanted to see if maybe they would look good in the entryway. And right now I have these mirrors, which I'm trying to remove and put something else up. But I think it would make a statement if, you know, my entryway hallway is really tall, and with 2 big ones would really make a statement. And that gold actually reflects light. So if I did keep them, this would be the only area it could stay. Here is one last look at the products in this haul. Check the description box for more details. Everyone be blessed and safe. May God keep you in his arms. In Jesus' name, I pray for all of you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon. So I had to turn off the light in the area so you guys, you